All right, this is an unboxing of high potency zinc from a company called Finest Nutrition. All right, right here, some of the claims on the bottle is that it may help support immune system function. There's 50 milligrams per serving. Immune system health, there's 100 caplets, not tablets, caplets inside each bottle. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the back side and let you see the supplemental facts. It says right here, zinc 50 milligrams, which is equivalent to 455% of your daily value. There's quite a couple of other ingredients. You might want to check the other ingredients out just to see if you're sensitive to those products that are in there, like such as cellulose and dicalcium phosphate. I can't even pronounce the second word. And silica, which is one of the main ingredients of the earth. I mean, I don't think too many people are, sensitive to silica to an extent, but that's my opinion. Vegetable magnesium stearate and vegetable stearic acid are the ingredients. Distributed by Walgreens Company. All right, 100% satisfaction guaranteed. How can they guarantee such satisfaction? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. There's a safety seal on the back. Looks like this. I can peel that. Oh, so that's how you do it. You just take this, pull it back, and all right, go ahead and twist the cap off. And there is a safety, sealed for your protection, as they claim. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and peel that back. Open it up and look at it out here. So here are the zinc tablets. There's 50 milligrams right here. Almost looks like a horse peel or something like that. But I guess it is what it is. I'm going to put that back. And that's the unboxing of Finest Nutrition High Potency Zinc. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.